Hello and welcome back to Scenic Hills. Today we're going to find out why this car that April cleaned isn't working.
Yeah, it's strange.
I suspect as it was being put together something might have fallen out and we didn't notice it. So, do you want to take it apart and see what the problem is?
Yep. Put my glasses on.
Don't have to worry about taking that apart, we just need to take the motor apart. Okay. Just have to take this apart. That should all be together.
Is there anything? Oh, no.
Yeah, they're on there. Yep. So leave them on.
Yep.
I suspect whatever it is in here. Are there two springs in there? Because the two bushes have come out. Are the springs still in there?
Yeah. There's the spring right
Okay.
there.
I'm going to pop those out.
Here, there.
No, you've got to push it out from the inside.
I forgot. It's been a while.
Whoop. You got it?
Yeah. Got it. Where did the spring go?
Hold it over the thing.
Where
did the spring go?
I did not see where the spring went. Did it fall off?
I don't know. That will, here it is, over here. It flew over here.
Wait, was there supposed to be two?
Yes, there's meant to be two springs.
There's no spring in there.
Okay, let's have a look.
I think the spring is the thing missing.
Right. Yep. So we're definitely missing one little spring.
Yeah.
Okay, that might be why.
We found the problem.
Okay, so now we've established that there was a spring missing. One of these little wee springs that it's, once they disappear you won't find them. So, April, do you remember how to put it together now?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, if you look carefully you'll notice
Yeah.
one end
Yeah, I
has
see
got
the
a little
bump.
bump, so the bump goes in first.
Okay, and I don't want to push it in.
No.
Hmm.
Right. They both click.
I don't know.
Sideways. There we go. Right, now, so for that side we need the long side. Is the long side up, or is it the short side that's down? Turn it over. No, you've got, no, that. Just turn around.
Do I put these in?
I think you've got it round the wrong way.
I had a feeling I did.
Because you need the long side.
Oh, it's this way.
Yeah.
I had a feeling I got it wrong. Okay, this is frustrating.
Okay, now.
To get it in there.
One.
Yep, they look in.
Springs in. Yes, both springs are in.
Now it's time for these, isn't it?
Yep.
Here's a good can.
Right. Let's see if it goes now. Right. It goes.
Fritz is just watching.
Okay, the car now works, and the our supervisor is satisfied with our work. So now we can get on and do some racing.
Yeah.
Okay, April, now that we've found the problem, what was the problem?
We were missing one spring.
One little spring. And because that one little spring was missing,
It did not work.
it did not go. Okay, so obviously when it was being put back together the first time, the spring poof, flew away. And we never noticed it.
No.
Right. Okay, so that's that problem solved. Right. Thanks for visiting Sonic Hills, and we shall catch you in the next one. Bye.